I have apologized to my people, Enugu-Ezike people. Umuada.
Amen.
Kedo Muma, come. Fast. Then the Umumozi Muna Haji Josie. Amen.
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 So, I have apologized to my people, Enugu-Ezike people, Umuada. But I got an information that na network, I don't want these people that are going around and making noise. I say I want to repeat it. Amen.
Amen.
As a Christian and as the son, a son of Holy Mother. Oh, he na bongwem. I'm an number one night there so. And the Jimana there so bomani. Amen.
Amen.
So that I'm using this opportunity. Everybody stand up. Everybody. Puloto. Behind them maybe him more. Unesoromayo. So puloto. It is very heavy, but I have to do it. That I'm using this opportunity to ask my people of Enugu-Ezike in general, in differentiation, Umuada Enugu-Ezike. Mande neba Mako wende Enugu-Ezike neba. Onwero habam kiti. Manda no reba. Once even one Enugu-Ezike, especially Umuada, mande kane tonite, mande nugoti. Because na Tuesday galaga, na ine kuchuku. When we are talking about women that are having affairs with other men outside their marriages, that it is not good. I made a mistake and generalized it, saying that all the Enugu-Ezike women, no, it is not all of them. Highly faithful from A to Z. I know. Come on now. Ima the rate mje budi ba. Enwego one man nwula loto mebe onye ba abu. Onwugo nwunye aha nwugo na nowhere. And some other cases like that. So amara mo ya kanji we da doku. The Bible is no na e dare doku ya Enugu-Ezike na so kwa. Na dare me doku. Or the master that say by generalizing it, saying that it is all Enugu-Ezike women. No, please. It is not so. Obro hancha nine, obro Enugu-Ezike, obro mwa Enugu-Ezike nine, obro mwa Enugu-Ezike nine, mana nne mu nwula muso. Mana nwunye muso, maka onye Enugu-Ezike ka obuzi. Imana nwa mwa iso. Imalukwo onu umunne Enugu-Ezike so. Okay? No, it is not what I meant. Hear me, no, but some of them, not all. So, I'm using this opportunity to ask Umuada unu bukwo mumo buru nnem munwa burukwa nwa unu. I ga-ebuzi nwa gị ma o mee mistake. Umuada bikonu. Ka nso ọba ọbụrụ ga anụ ya. Obunifu, Obunendala. Aka n'unu wonicha. Wotuo no kabanyani. Oh, nande ba isna no munyi no nitaso. Brother Jerome Ogbonna Enugu-Ezike. So I cannot hurt myself. When I generalize it, it means I hurted myself also. And even hurted my families. So it was not what I mean at all. That is why I was at the airport Thursday. But yet, I know what I did. And apologized on that video. And now, I am apologizing again. And they gave me advice. Somebody like Honorable Ezike-Oba. And the army man no London, the patron, the youth, the base not. He advised me very, very well. When I heard as I'm like, where I had a man, also no, hi, Obro Hamadike, no, High Chief Doctor Onyami Odo, Anya like Odoko Onya by no minute. Onyami Odo, the army man. Agwami, anytime I travel to London, if it is the side honor, I will see Onata Muniafu. Because I got on which I am no and love to know him the more. So I'm not an advice on him and honorable. And other Enugu-Ezike, Ndo Kenye, and the air that's a meeting. Biko, Nusnam me wote fi no, wote bikono, no bembo. As no brombos in what I will for mano can ife, no mbosio megene, ofrogere. So nagide mo, nande baesere, emeremeji, mozemele. I made a mistake. Ada medoku baes no mo wan Enugu-Ezike. No. If not on behalf of under father, neighbor, and the ministry, even in the church, come jayo, ya no mama mana hani bere. No chani ne. As a mother man kulot all keep change with the problem. Now no chani ne we na yo kwa unu epele. Na yo unu epele. Nisim makagwa mu ni ene made ordinary. It is coming from a kingdom of darkness. I know. Because I know Enugu-Ezike got robbed. Man woke had the truth can go. Obo no where be bad people. Man Enugu-Ezike can emit one too much. When I travel abroad, when Maskachon Hotel, somebody in the Buna motor from airport, when I saw sorcerer, see Enugu-Ezike, say no big Ben. I'm telling you, I slept there then. Nje crusade outside the country. When Benji na this African country, na konye Enugu-Ezike benchina. So I Enugu-Ezike do good though. On I draw good. I draw mu good well atalaga afe perege ha. So Enugu-Ezike dem. Amen. So nanna yo the elders Onyeishi as na me ehunata. Obona fro Onyeishi afuna me ehunata owo maka. So no Onyeishi and the elders can ne ehunata na say I am sorry. Umuada bikonu. Unewes nalmi iwe. Unewes nami iwe. Umuada Enugu-Ezike. I am sorry. It is not all of you. There are some that are doing it, but not all of you. Amen.
Amen.
So, Chukwu gozi unu, Umuada, gozi umunu, gozi umunu. Gozi unu wanine neba, mi bonye Enugu-Ezike, moni bronye Enugu-Ezike. Amen and amen.
Amen.
So, ebe me metaho, so balo. No kuchuku ka na-ekwu. Mana ga na-ekwu okwu Chukwu. Amen and amen.
Amen.
Amen and amen.
Amen.
So I pray na Chineke ganar my apology. If I'm na Chukwu anargo my apology.
Amen.
No be saying the man dey inar my apology. So may the Lord help us and help Umuada Enugu-Ezike. No more. Naha Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Amen.
Febere je saka.